Gentlemen, let's be honest for a moment. Most men believe they know what they're doing in the bedroom. But when it comes to using your hands with skill, patience, and awareness, far too many rush. They fumble. They treat it like a quick step before something else. And that's where the real mistake happens, because using your hands isn't just about stimulation. It's about connection. It's about confidence. It's about control, not dominance, but intentional leadership. Done the right way, your hands can build more trust, more desire, and more intimacy than any shortcut, supplement, or performance trick ever could. But here's the truth. Most men were never taught how. They treat it like a warm-up, instead of realizing it can be the main event, the spark, the emotional unlock. Today, I'm going to break this down respectfully, clearly, and with over 12 years of clinical experience in men's health and intimacy science behind me. I'm Dr. Lena, and this conversation is about mastery, not ego. Before we dive in, quick pause. Like the video, subscribe, and comment below where you're watching from. I love seeing men from all over the world choosing to improve themselves. Now let's talk about the truth most men never hear. Many women do not reach climax from penetration alone. This is not opinion. It's supported by research. That means if you rely on only one type of stimulation, you may be leaving a large part of her experience unexplored. Your hands, however, are adaptable. They adjust pressure. They change angle. They move with precision. They respond in real time. But only if you use them with awareness. I've worked with thousands of men over 30, 40, 50, even 70. Most weren't struggling because something was wrong physically. They were struggling because no one taught them how female arousal actually works. This channel exists to change that, to move from guessing to understanding. Today, we'll go through 5 powerful principles, not just physical movements, but full body approaches. Let's begin. Move number 5. The warm-up is not optional, it is everything. Many men treat foreplay like a checklist. But for women, arousal is a slow build. Biologically, blood flow takes time. Nerve sensitivity increases gradually. If you rush to intense touch before the body is ready, it can feel overwhelming instead of pleasurable. Emotionally, when you slow down, you send a message. You matter. I'm not rushing you. That lowers stress. And stress reduction increases arousal. Start away from sensitive areas. Neck, shoulders, back, thighs. Move slowly. Let your hand rest. Let anticipation build. Anticipation amplifies response. Skipping this step is like trying to start a car in winter without warming the engine. Move number 4. Precision beats force. One of the most common mistakes. Too much intensity too soon. The clitoral region is extremely sensitive. Sensitivity requires gradual progression. Imagine walking into a dark room and someone shines a bright light directly into your eyes. Your body recoils. That's what excessive pressure feels like early on. Instead, begin lightly. Circle the surrounding area first. Tease the edges. Let sensitivity build naturally. As arousal increases, tolerance for intensity increases. Your goal is to guide, not overwhelm. Move number 3. Rhythm is everything. The nervous system builds toward climax through consistency. Random changes interrupt that buildup. If she responds positively to a certain motion, stay with it. This is where many men sabotage progress. They think changing technique equals improving. Often it resets everything. Consistency builds trust. Trust allows her to relax. Relaxation increases blood flow. And blood flow increases pleasure. If she says, right there, that means freeze the pattern. Don't innovate. Don't experiment. Stay steady. Move number 2. Timing matters more than access. Just because arousal appears present doesn't mean full readiness exists. Pelvic muscles need time to relax. Rushing deeper stimulation too early can create tension. Always check in. Verbally or through body language, use lubrication. Not because something is wrong, but because comfort enhances sensation. Start gently. Pause, let her body adapt. Use curved, controlled motions. Not speed. Not aggression. Angles and pressure matter more than movement range. And here's something important. Listen to breathing. Breathing tells you more than words. Faster breath. Held breath. Hip movement. These are feedback signals. Move number 1. Connection is more powerful than technique. Yes, technique matters, but emotional safety matters more. Stress hormones restrict blood flow. If she feels pressure, judgment, or rush, her body responds defensively. If she feels admired, unhurried, valued, her nervous system shifts into relaxation mode. That's where pleasure expands. Aftercare is critical. After she peaks, don't disengage, stay close. Touch gently. Breathe together. This strengthens emotional bonding, and bonding deepens future intimacy. Now let's talk practical structure. Give 10 to 15 minutes minimum before focused genital touch. Use lubrication every time. Watch her reactions. Maintain rhythm once established. End with closeness, not distance. If you're thinking, I've been doing this wrong, don't shame yourself. Most men were never taught. Media doesn't teach it. Friends don't discuss it honestly. But here's the advantage. Men over 40 and 50 often excel at this once they learn. Because patience increases with age. Presence increases with maturity. You don't need youth. You need awareness. Your hands are not tools of performance. They are instruments of connection. When used intentionally, they build intimacy that lasts decades. Age is not decline. It is refinement. Small changes. Practice consistently. Restore confidence. Restore closeness. Restore dignity. So don't settle for mediocrity. Learn, grow, improve. When she feels deeply valued, you feel powerful in a completely different way. If this helped you, subscribe, comment where you're watching from, and tell me what topic you want next. I'm Dr. Lena. Your age does not define your passion. Your intention does. Stay present, stay respectful, and I'll see you in the next video.